To those that serve our great country by protecting our life and liberty, A1 Total Service Plumbing is offering free drain cleanings on Red Fridays to the first 10 military persons. You can be active duty, a reservist, a veteran, or retired. Thank you for your courage, bravery, and sacrifice. What is Red Friday? R.E.D is an acronym that stands for Remember Everyone Deployed. The A1 Total Plumbing Service team salutes you and your families. We honor the fallen, thank the living. Help us support Red Fridays by wearing red in solidarity.